Hey, 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 folks. So it's that time of year again. It is that time where we take our kids out to the mall to buy back to school clothes and school supplies. Well, before you take little Johnny down to the Louis Vuitton store and spend $800 on a Louis belt, I want you to stop, drop your wallet, put your money aside, and think about ways to reinvest that money into something more gainful. By the way, I am not trying to be facetious when I say taking little Johnny down to the Louis Vuitton store, but I know some of y'all are doing that. In this video, I am going to list the 5 best investment accounts for kids. My name is Safia Lynette for those who don't know me, better known on YouTube as the Global Nurse Expat. And on my channel, I talk about all things global travel, digital nomading, and expat life. I also talk about tips and tricks and strategies to get you that passive income and that living your best life mentality that you deserve so that you can retire early and travel the world. All right, guys, we're going to get right to this. Number one on my list of the top 5 investment accounts for kids: custodial Roth IRA. If your child has a part-time job or has earned any income during this year or in general, they may qualify for a custodial Roth IRA. All right, it is a custodial account that is set up by a parent and maintained and managed. Parents open the account and manage the assets until the child comes of age. Usually that's at age 18 in most states. Some states require the child to be the full ripe old age of 21 before you can turn that account into their possession. Roth IRAs are indeed the pathway to becoming a tax-free millionaire. Number 2 on the list: 529 education savings plans. All right, this plan has no minimum contribution, no contribution limits, and it is open for everyone. Again, it is when you withdraw it, you can put it toward qualifying education expenses for little Johnny. Number 3 on the list: Coverdell Education Savings Account. Similar to the 529 plan, investments grow tax-free and withdrawals are also tax-free when used for qualified educational expenses. Max contribution is $2,000 per year per beneficiary. Higher income earners have a lower contribution limit overall, and very high earning individuals don't qualify for this type of education savings plan. Number 4 on the list: UGMA and UTMA custodial accounts. Parents or other adults open and act as the custodian until the child comes of age. In most states, that is between the ages of 18 and 25, and it depends on the state. Custodian contributes to the stock market, or they buy bonds, mutual funds. They are tradable on the market, and it is a long-term investment to grow the account balance. Number 5 on the list: brokerage accounts. Some brokers have accounts specifically designed for teens. Simple brokerage accounts have minimal fees and provides for a buy and hold strategy for long-term investment. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, as well as ETFs, can be purchased and traded on the stock market. If you involve the kid in picking the stocks, they will have a more hands-on approach and they will learn something about the economy and the stock market. These accounts give ownership directly to the child, so it is not a custodial account. It actually belongs to little Johnny. Now, keep in mind, brokerage accounts don't offer tax advantages like the Roth IRA. So you do have to pay taxes for whatever accumulates in these accounts. So just keep that in mind. Hire an accountant and just keep those books in order. So that's pretty much it. Those are the 5 best investment accounts for kids. I am going to throw in a bonus of number 6. It is not an account, but if you set little Johnny up for success by enrolling him into a stock market online class for kids and teens, you will be doing little Johnny the biggest of favors. He will learn about finance, investing, and the power of money management. So give little Johnny that cheat code. Give him the gift of financial literacy. Okay, and outschool.com provides a good platform for finding the most appropriate um, online class based on little Johnny's interest and age. And that website is www.outschool.com. And of course, I will put all of those resources that I have discussed here in this video in the video details. All right, so once again, stay out of that Louis Vuitton store and help little Johnny invest in his future. All right, that's about it for me. Let me know how you like this video. All right, in the comments, say something useful, and I will catch you on the next go round. Ciao.